WordPress users can manage their own schedules inside of WordPress. Wait, what? Greetings, wizards! This is Danny from Gravity Race, and today we're here to talk about GP Bookings 1.0. If you're not familiar with GP Bookings, it allows you to create really flexible bookings inside of Gravity Forms so that you can take bookings and manage them right inside WordPress. Its 1.0 feature is the ability to assign users to what we call bookables. A user assigned to a bookable is able to manage their schedule, their bookings, and their offerings. Let me show you what I mean. Here I have my booking form, which is for a language learning program. What I want to do is add a new language, add a new teacher, and allow that teacher to control their own schedule. So let's go to services. This is your main offering. So in this case, we're offering Greek lessons. They're usually about an hour long. They do have a base price of $50. And from here, I can already add our Greek teacher who's going to be a resource. First, let's create a resource type for Greek teachers. And then I can just add Athena. I'll also click select all Greek teachers to make sure that once we add new Greek teachers, they are going to be automatically selected for this resource. Now, this is all we need to do for the service. And from here, we can go directly to Athena. And all I'm going to do, still logged in with my admin account, is go here and give her access to this resource. Now, I want to log in as Athena so you can see what she can see. A little spoiler, this tab is going to be gone. And I also want to show you everything that I am seeing here in the GP Bookings dashboard. Okay, now let's log in as Athena. All right, I am logged in as Athena, and I already have GP Bookings available here that already doesn't have that services tab and only has a tab for Greek teachers. So let's go in, and here is her GP Bookings profile basically, which is just a resource. In here, she can edit all of these tabs. So for example, I know she's only available on Tuesdays and Thursdays from 1 p.m. to 7 p.m. Let's save this here. So let's schedule a class with Athena. Maybe for August 11th, let's submit. And our Greek class is booked for August 11th at 2 p.m. Now let's go back to the backend and go to the GP Bookings dashboard. As you can see, she's seeing a lot less than what I was seeing as a full administrator. She can only see her own bookings from the dashboard. And from here, she can also approve it quickly and manage it, where she can confirm the booking, mark it as completed, or even cancel it. Now, let's say she actually isn't available at that time, but she wants to keep the booking around. She can actually reschedule it directly from here. It's actually on not the next week. Here it is. Let's say she's not available on Tuesday, but she is available on Thursday at the same time. She can just drag and drop it. And boom. There is one last thing I'd like to show you, which is the ability to sync the GP Bookings calendar to an external calendar. Let's go back to the resource. And from here, we go to Calendar Sync, Add Calendar. I'm going to go through the process with my account so you can see how it works. So let's click on Add New Account. I'm going to select it, continue, allow, and boom, there it is. Now I can select the calendar, and I have a calendar just for our lessons program. And I'm going to leave the sync mode as a default, which will send bookings from GP Bookings to the external calendar and create events based on them. And it will use the events in the external calendar to block availability in GP Bookings. For example, we have a team lunch on August 11th, and that's why Athena is not available for that time. So let's collect the calendar. If we scroll down to the availability preview, we can go to that day where we have the team lunch. And as you can see, it's now marked as unavailable. So let's update this and go back to our form. Before refreshing this, you can see that the 2 to 3 p.m. time in August 1st is available for Athena. But if we refresh and reselect that same day, that 2 to 3 p.m. time is now gone. GP Bookings is one of those plugins that it's hard to summarize. I invite you to take it for a spin. The link will be in the description down below. And if you need help understanding how GP Bookings may fit your setup, or if you can achieve what you're looking for, just click on this button to get free blueprint. Let us know what you're trying to do, and one of our support wizards will help you figure it out. That's all from me today. Thanks for watching. Bye! So that I can show you what this looks like. So as you can see, guys,